Why choose plant-based protein superfoods?
Plant-based protein superfoods deliver essential nutrients, keep you full, and support muscle growth without the saturated fat found in animal products. Options like lentils, quinoa, chickpeas, and tofu are not only protein-rich, but also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. With these foods, it's easy to create balanced, satisfying meals that benefit both your health and the planet.
Speedy chickpea stir-fry.
For a protein-packed meal in minutes, try a chickpea stir-fry. Sauté canned or cooked chickpeas with broccoli, bell peppers, and onions in olive oil. Add your favorite spices or a splash of soy sauce. Serve over brown rice or quinoa for even more protein and fiber. This dish is quick, filling, and loaded with nutrients.
Simple quinoa power bowl.
Quinoa is a complete protein and cooks in about 15 minutes. For a quick meal, top cook quinoa with black beans, diced tomatoes, avocado, and a handful of spinach. Drizzle with lemon juice or your favorite dressing. This easy bowl delivers long-lasting energy, tons of fiber, and plenty of plant-based protein.
Tofu scramble breakfast.
Swap eggs for a tofu scramble with just as much protein. Crumble firm tofu in a pan, add turmeric for color, and sauté with spinach, mushrooms, and tomatoes. Sprinkle with nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor boost. Enjoy on toast or as a burrito filling. Perfect for breakfast or anytime you need a quick, wholesome meal.
Lentil soup for busy days.
Low on time? Simmer red lentils with carrots, onions, and garlic in vegetable broth for about 20 minutes. Add cumin and black pepper for flavor. This comforting soup is rich in plant-based protein, easy to customize with extra veggies, and keeps well for leftovers, making it a healthy option throughout the week.
Tips for boosting protein in plant-based meals.
Combine different protein superfoods to maximize nutrition. Mix beans with whole grains like rice, or add nuts and seeds to salads and smoothies. Preparing meals in advance and keeping staples like canned beans, lentils, tofu, and quinoa on hand can make plant-based protein meals easy and accessible for busy lifestyles.